Good morning, dear Patines. Welcome in Social Studies class. Today, your SST teacher is here with Chapter 7 Climate of India, and yesterday we have completed our two topics, summer season and monsoon season. Okay, and today I will tell you about winter season. Okay, now monsoon season is going on, rainy season. Okay, and upcoming season is winter. Okay, open your page number 51, and today we will do the exercises of chapter 7. Okay, so get ready with your stationery and with your book. Yes bete, open page number 51. Winter season. The winter season begins from the middle of November and continues till February. Okay, when it will start? It will start in mid of the November. Okay, and December and January are very cold months in the most parts of north and central India. Which are the cold months? December and January. Okay, during the season the days are shorter and nights are longer. Beta, listen to me very carefully. During winter season days are longer and nights are days are shorter and nights are longer. Okay, but in summer season days are longer and nights are shorter, opposite of this. Okay, night becomes more colder than the day. December and January are the coldest month in the northern India. Okay, underline this. December and January are the coldest months. Next है बेटा, the northern mountains receive snowfall during this season. Okay, northern mountains receives snowfall. In Himalayan mountains they receive snowfall during the winter season. As the altitude increases, temperature drops below 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, in mountain areas below freezing point. There may be some frost during this season in the northern plains in winter. Westerly winds bring rain. देखिए, ड्यूरिंग विंटर सीजन हमारे यहाँ पे क्या होता है? फ्रोस्ट, ओस, धुंध जिसको बोलते हैं. ठीक है, धुंध देखते हैं ना आप इन जनवरी एंड दिसंबर मंथ. ओके, एंड वेस्टर्नली विंड्स ब्रिंग्स रेन. कभी कभी रेनफॉल भी हो जाती है विंटर सीजन में. ओके, और उससे क्या होता है? ठंड, जो कोल्ड है, जो टेम्परेचर है वो और भी ज़्यादा नीचे डाउन चला जाता है. ठीक है. क्लाइमेट इन सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया इज माइल्ड ड्यूरिंग दिस सीजन. ठीक है, इस विंटर सीजन में सदर्न पार्ट जो है, कोस्टल प्लेन्स जो है, कोस्टल प्लेन एरियाज जो है, वहाँ पे क्या होता है? टेम्परेचर माइल्ड होता है. माइल्ड मीन्स नॉट हार्श, वेरी माइल्ड. ठीक है. The weather from October to February is usually not hot as during the rest of the year. Okay, as you know this. And by the end of March it begins to be warm again. ठीक है, by the end of the March it begins warm means वो फिर से जो है क्या स्टार्ट हो जाता है? समर सीजन हो जाता है by end of the March. Okay बेटा, now next is importance of climate, that why climate is important, how climate is important for us. Okay, climate of a place influences the way of life of the people who live there. देखिए, हम जहाँ रहते हैं उस क्लाइमेट के अकॉर्डिंग क्या करते हैं हम? वी ईट फूड अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्लाइमेट, वी वियर क्लोथ्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्लाइमेट, एंड आवर लाइफ स्टाइल इज ऑल्सो चेंजेस विद द सीजन्स. ठीक है, विंटर सीजन में हमारा लाइफ स्टाइल कुछ और होता है, रेनी में कुछ डिफरेंट होता है, और समर में डिफरेंट होता है हमारा लाइफ स्टाइल. ओके, shelter, food, clothing depend upon the climate. Climate also influences soil, water supply and vegetation. हाँ, climate यानी कि seasons पे ही जो है crop produce जो है वो depend करती है, farming seasons पे depend करती है. ठीक है, temperature, wind direction, rainfall, humidity and air pressure affect the climate of a country. ठीक है, these are important points, you can underline this. Temperature, wind direction, rainfall and humidity and air pressure, these are the important features which affect the climate of a country. Okay, जब इनमें changes होंगे तो climate भी जो है वो automatic change हो जाएगा. The factors that affect the climate of a place are distance from the equator, distance from the sea. कौन कौन से फैक्टर्स हैं जो अफेक्ट करते हैं क्लाइमेट को? डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द इक्वेटर, डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सी से डिस्टेंस, लोकेशन ऑफ माउंटेन रेंजेस, एल्टीट्यूड, प्रिवेलिंग विंड्स, रेनफॉल, फॉरेस्ट एंड ओशियन करंट्स. ओके, इनसे क्या है? हमारा क्लाइमेट अफेक्ट होता है. ओके, Okay, now next, come on page number 52, exercises. Tick the correct answer. Three main seasons of India are, yes, very good, very simple, summer, winter and monsoon. Tick mark here. Question 2 है बेटा, the winter season in India lasts from, winter season from November to February. Okay, next third है, the rainy season probably starts in month of the July. ठीक है, in the last month. You can note down these things. ठीक है, from July rainy season started. Fourth, in summers coastal areas are kept cool by the sea breeze. In summers coastal areas किससे cool रहते हैं, वहाँ का temperature ज़्यादा high क्यों नहीं होता है coastal regions से, due to the sea breeze. Okay. Fifth, the hot and dry winds that blow through North India in summer are called Lu. Hot and dry winds, you know, called Lu. Okay, tick mark here. Next question is fill in the blanks. There are dash main seasons in India. How many seasons? 3. Okay, right, 3 here. Next, the month of dash is almost unbearable in northern plains due to extreme hot. As you know, ये आप अपनी लाइफ में आप फील भी करते हैं, ऑब्जर्व भी कर सकते हो कि which month, in which month? June. In summers the dash are longer and dash are shorter. Summers में क्या long होती हैं? Days long होती हैं. Nowadays you can notice this thing. And the nights are shorter. Okay. Most of the rainfall of India is caused by dash winds. किससे होती है rainfall India में? Monsoon winds. Okay, उनकी direction से. Fifth है, hot winds and dust storms are common in months of dash and dash. हॉट विंड्स एंड डस्ट स्टॉर्म्स, धूल भरी आंधी चलती हैं, है ना, हॉट विंड आंधी लू चलती हैं, वो कब होती है? मई और जून में. ठीक है. डैश गेट्स द हैवीएस्ट रेनफॉल इन द वर्ल्ड. आई टोल्ड यू इन मेघालय स्टेट माइसनरम इज अ प्लेस वेयर देयर इज अ हैवीएस्ट रेनफॉल इन वर्ल्ड, नॉट इन इंडिया. ओके ओके बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ट्रू फॉल्स. हॉट ड्राई विंड्स ब्लो इन नॉर्थ इंडिया ड्यूरिंग द समर सीजन. हॉट ड्राई विंड्स इन नॉर्थ, yes, it is true. Dust storms are common in rainy season. No, it is false. Dust storms are common in summer season, not in rainy. Okay. December and January are very hot months, is it? No, these are the coldest month. Okay. Meghalaya receive less rainfall than Rajasthan. It is false. Okay. So question answers. Tomorrow we will do the 4 question answers. Okay. Bye everyone. Read the chapter and do the exercises properly and learn also. Okay. Bye. Take care.